Hi, Brooker here at Video Power Marketing, and in this video we're going to cover how to link your Google Analytics and your YouTube channel into your Google Ads account. So you logged into your Google Ads account here, and what you want to do is you want to go to Tools and Settings, and you want to go to Linked Accounts. Now this will have a list of accounts that you can basically link up to your Google Ads account. And if you haven't linked already, none of these will be showing as linked. So go into Google Analytics UA, click Details. And if you have a Google Analytics account connected to the same Gmail as your Google Ads, which you should have at this point, your analytics properties will show up at the bottom here. All you need to do is choose your analytics property, click Link, or Website Data, link that, and import the site metrics, click Save. And that is all you need to do to link your Google Analytics. As you can see up here, one linked, and it's now collecting data. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to link our YouTube channel. Now, what I want you to do is to go into YouTube, log into YouTube, go to YouTube Studio, and then down here, you want to go to Settings. I'll bring up this screen here. If you click on, you've got a channel here, you've got Basic Info, Advanced Settings, and Feature Eligibility. Click Advanced Settings, and you see this box here that says Google Ads Account Linking. Click Link Account. Now what you want to do is name this, whatever you want to name it. Go to your Google Ads account and look for this number at the top. So go back to the main screen here, and you've got this long number here. It's 3. So copy that, go back to YouTube, add it there, and you'll have View Counts, Remarketing, and Engagement. And then click Done. And what that will do, then you click Save. What that's going to do is send you an email or a notification in your Google Ads account to say that someone's wanting to link your account. So if we refresh this, this may come up. Sometimes it can take a little bit of time, the notifications. Here we go, YouTube account link requested. You click View, and it tells you here that this link request came in. View the request and approve. And that's it. That's your YouTube Ads account linked to your Google Ads account.